little clicky thing doesn't work. I don't know what it is with me and videos. I've been trying to put together some content for beds for the channel, and every time I try and do a little bit of video, everything that could go does go wrong. It's painful. I've had more cooking disasters in the last 2 days than I have in several years, from breakages to spillages to malfunctions with the hand blender thing and it going all up the walls and over the doors, and yeah, everything like that. And I've been out here now about an hour trying to do, so I thought I'd get some moss because it's actually quite a fascinating subject. But anyway, I thought I'd come out here and try and film that, and I got stuck. I very nearly had to call for Peds because I wanted to get to the wettest area because that's where there's a lot of moss, but I had to abandon it. And then I sat on a bench and I managed to sit on a thorn. And now clicky thing doesn't work to stop and start the video. Dare I move?
Today?
I am pie making for the artisan pie range. So I'm just doing some pastry at the minute, and then I've got some corn seeds soaking there. So I'll be putting them in little pots, and then I've got to sort out all that crockery in the garage for collection Monday.
That's Appledore Bakery.
Yeah. So basically I had a load of china in the garage from my catering days that it was in the way. I sold some of it and I still had some left. So I've decided to donate it to the Appledore Bakery for their little cafe they're opening. Because I love what they're doing.
I do some cracking bread.
And if I could clone me, I would do exactly the same. Yeah. But I can't clone me. So, and I'm going to make a noise now.
Well, we're off up the ladder. We're going to put these cameras up, and then we'll pop out Nature's Rest and do some more out there. Cameras all installed just in time because look at what's coming in. Bit of progress today. Another little polyton up. It's not been a bad day today between the showers, but it's becoming really cold now. And yeah, hopefully it's a better day tomorrow, and we'll get the cover on and go from there. There you go, look at that. Spicy pork, mashed potato, some veg, all outside and warm. Although the sun's gone in now, it's not so warm.
So I just thought I'd share this with you. Paul has just cooked this pork tenderloin over fire out at Nature's Rest here, and it is absolutely the best pork tenderloin I've ever tasted. Now I'm going to crack on and enjoy the rest of this. Bye.
So the idea of going for this recycled plastic board is it won't rot. If we use ply, we know it won't last forever. So yeah, that's the reason we're doing that. So there'll be an end on each end, and then I'll cut a door in one, and we'll do a wooden frame, hold the tin together, and these go on the end. So that gives us our roof and end structure. And then hopefully we'll get some plastic pallets. If not, we'll get some wooden ones, and we'll replace them with plastic at a later date because we won't rot because everything's wet here. And we'll put it on. Probably going to need 6 or 8 pallets. Yeah, and it sit off on there out of the wet, and they've got a nice comfy and dry house. That's the plan. So crack on with some more. Batteries last quite well. They charge quite quickly. 18 volt this one. So, despite a few disasters in the kitchen this week for Mrs. S, I think you can call this a success. Well, pretty well all her food's a success. But, she does make a mess and break a few things on the way. But some cracking rock cakes here. A new line of biscuits she's not done before, and they are absolutely delicious. So yeah, she got to keep doing that sort of stuff. And it's all part of our drive to try and get away from all the ultra processed foods. Trying to do a bit more of our homemade breads, homemade pies, and yeah, trying to get rid of some of the rubbish. And my golly, it tastes good too. Yeah, Tesco, Sainsbury's. Yeah, you can do one. If you enjoy our videos, please hit the like and subscribe buttons.
Even if you don't like it, still hit the like and subscribe button.